Hi everyone and welcome to another Python tutorial. Today we are going to dive into working with different number bases in Python. First off, let's define a variable and assign it the value of 12. In Python, when you write a number like this, it's implicitly in base 10. Let's run it and print 12. Okay. Now, let's see how we can represent the same number 12 in base 2, base 8, and base 16. To define a number in base 2 or binary, we use the prefix 0b. So, 12 in base 2 is 0b1100. Let's run it and print 12. Okay, for base 8 or octal, we use the prefix 0o. 12 in base 8 is 0o14. Let's run it and print 12. And for base 16 hexadecimal, we use the prefix 0x. 12 in base 16 is 0xc. Let's run it and print 12. As you can see, the output for all this is 12. This means Python correctly interprets these prefix value and converts them their base 10 equivalent internally. Let's demonstrate this equality by comparing them. We'll compare the base 10 value of 12 with the base 16 value 0xc. Run it and print true. The result is true, indicating they are indeed the same value. Now, what if you have a base 10 number and want to see its representation in other bases? Python provides built-in function for this. The bin function converts base 10 integer to its binary base 2 string representation. Let's run it and print 0b1100. Okay. The oct function converts base 10 integer to its octal base 8 string representation. Run it and print 0o14. And the hex function converts a base 10 integer to its hexadecimal base 16 string representation. Let's run it. Let's print 0xz. Finally, how do we convert numbers from base 2, base 8 or base 16 back to base 10? We can use the int function by specifying the base of the input string. They convert a base 2 number string to base 10. Let's run it and print 12. 1100 print 12. They convert a base 8 number string to base 10. Let's run it and print 12 again. And to convert a base 16 number string to base 10, let's run it and print 12 again. As you can see, the int function is very versatile for converting a string representing numbers in different bases back to base 10 integers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. See you in the next video.